Okay, so once again, good evening, brothers and sisters, and allow me to acknowledge the presence of of course, all the visitors, the family members of our brothers. Magandang gabi sa inyo, and of course, most of all, our brothers. Okay, my good friend, my brother from Maharlika, Mr. Martin Garnett. Let's bring a round of applause. Thank you for joining us today. And from Matitikas Brothers, the Justin. Good evening, Justin. And lastly, of course, our brother from White and Red. Okay, our brother from another mother, of course, Lenny. Okay, so medyo nakakos na ako. Okay, I'll tell everyone, so tonight, we come together not only to celebrate the end of another successful year for Scalawags FC, but also to honor the camaraderie, the dedication, and the brotherhood that defines our club. Okay, so tonight is a celebration of loyalty, it's a celebration of brotherhood, and it's a celebration of the spirit of being a Scalawags. Okay? So, after a year of long ride, for a heavy race, breakdowns natin, and of course, all the success runs that we had for this year, 2025, we are all gathered here, and we stand here together, strong as ever. Let's Scalawags forever! Okay, so I'll call on